Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am a mess right now. I am a mess. Hold on, let's get it together here. Who is you? Who is you? Chakakan. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I think I've tried filming this like 3 times. Let's see if this will be the one. So by the title, you already know that this is the unboxing for my Boxyluxe. They sent a little place card this time because last month I didn't get none. I don't know if you guys got an email, but that's what I got. This one I'm thinking is variation 11 just by this little number here. I'm hoping I'm right, because they don't put like, you know, like something to let you know that. If I look the same, it's because I'm filming 2 videos in one. The video on this look and this little hair do right here is my previous video, so check it out. It's the ColourPop making Mauves video. So that's on this look. I just changed the lippy. I actually used a darker one, which is Figgin with it. So that's the only thing different. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. I wanted to try out the premium, but honestly, I haven't done it because I have not been very happy with my last few boxes. Like, they used to make me so excited. Now it's like, you get like maybe 1 or 2 things that you're like, okay, and then the rest is like, what am I going to do with this? That's just me. So what I do when I am not sure what I'm going to do with a product, I just put it in a giveaway. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I try to do monthly giveaways. Sometimes I've even done 2 or 3 in 1 month. I do get a lot of PR products, so that way, you know, I can't use everything. I prefer that it goes to people that can use it, so I like to gift it out. So definitely follow me so you could see those giveaways. But let's go ahead and get into it and fight with my hair, because the air conditioner turned on and now the little hairs are flying everywhere. Yay. All right, so the first product that I see here on the list is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes, which is this right here. I do like Murad products. Most of them are pretty good. I opened this one last night and it's definitely a very thick eye cream, so I like that because it's going to you know, it's gonna definitely, let me put a little bit right here, it's gonna definitely keep my eyes moisturized. And you know, one of the most important things for me is the eyes, because they show age quicker than anything else. Feels very nice, has no scent, so if you're one of those that you're like, I don't like scent, then you're good. Definitely good. That one right there is a value of $70. So right there, pretty much pays for the box, because I think these boxes are $25 now plus $28 if it's still correct. So this one little cream paid for it. The next thing in my box was the Soldier Janiero Brazilian Bum Bum and Coca Banana Cream Doll. These go for $15. I love this original scent. It is so good. My daughter loves it as well, so she's gonna be stealing this, but I told her I needed it for the video, so I have to say bye-bye. The coconut, I like it. It really does smell a lot like coconut, like serious real coconut. It's sometimes a little too overpowering. I ended up having a mini and a big one, and I gifted it. The one I really like from them is the Acai? I think that's what it's called. It's delicious. The purple one, that's my favorite. So they sent that as well. And then the next one is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. This one is $39. And I saw my friend using this, and it looked really good on her. She talked about the pigments being real good. This is cruelty free, so that is something great for you, cruelty free family. So here is what this palette, let me hold it this way, so I'm trying not to get the glare, but that's what the palette looks like. Maybe I should hold it like this without messing it up. That's what the palette looked like. The colors are gorgeous. Like, I'm staring at my monitor, by the way, just in case. The colors are gorgeous. They definitely are beautiful. I'm going to try to swatch it and put it in, so that way you guys could see some swatches for this. So If we go to pause, you already know why, because I insulted the swatches. Okay. Okay. But I'm gonna definitely be using this tomorrow as the look when I film using my Boxycharm. And what's the next product? So the next one is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This goes for a whopping $99. Woo! It says it's a cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Their Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but it provides a way of lift and firm and tone problem areas for a more useful appearance. Okay, I'm for youthfulness, you know. I'm only, you know, 15 years old, but we have to start early. I wish. Oh, it comes with a battery and everything. Like, okay, this is definitely different and amazing. Normally, you have to buy the battery because battery is not included. Have you ever seen that movie? But here's how the device looks. It definitely feels nice. It's got, you know, it's like it's flexible. The head, you know, I mean, people keep it here, keep it clean. It's flexible, so it's definitely good. I might have to end up using this because it kind of, what is this part? It has like this little cap. Is this so I could place, oh, maybe it's so we could, you know, sit there. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. Does it say it's waterproof, ditch the cords? Well, yeah, that's a good idea because having stuff, you know, around, it just doesn't work for me. Anyways, definitely gonna try that out. It got me curious even more because they included a battery. Hello, that saved me some bucks. All right, so the next one is the Nars Powermatte Lip Pigment. This is $25. And this color, I opened it yesterday. I looked at it. I actually swatched it as well. I have a few lipsticks from Nars. Some of them are a bit dry and some of them are really, really good. I ended up getting gold shadow from the palette, so I'm like rubbing it everywhere, and that's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and just swatch it, you know, right now live with you guys, so you could definitely see what the color is. It is very liquidy, but it, oh wow, it's beautiful. It actually goes with my look. It smells nice. Doesn't smell bad. It smells sweet. And that's the color. It's definitely a beautiful color. So I already swatched it. So obviously I'm not gifting it, right? All right. The next one that I got is the Zoeva. I'm hoping Premier Blush Palette. This one goes for $19. I was actually looking. They had like their, I forgot what it's called. Like their add-ons opened yesterday or the day before. My friend hit me up. She let me know because sometimes I get the notification, but it's like super late in the day. And it did. It came after like 8 o'clock. So she let me know. And I saw the eyeshadow palettes for this brand. These are beautiful. They looked really, really nice. Let's just go ahead and swatch it. Make sure that I'm not messing that up. Okay. I'm going to swatch it this way, so bear with me. Okay, that's nice. Those are pretty colors. I could definitely do with that. I can deal with that. They feel creamy. These two right here, they have a, you know, like a sheen to it. The last one, it's, oh, look, they have names. Curtain Call, 1929, and Fame and Fortune. I like these names that these brands be giving their products. So yeah, I can definitely use that and play with it. Gonna try it out and let you guys know tomorrow when I film. The next one is the Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer. This one is $16 and it's right here. Let me tell you, just, you don't even have to open it. It smells so good. I find this very interesting, and I'm like, should I keep it? Should I use it? Should I just put it right there somewhere, you know, to decorate and make my room smell? Like, I wish you guys could smell. You smell that? Do you smell it? Do you smell it? No, of course you don't. It smells really, really good. I probably end up using it just because it smells so freaking good. So, it's a body wash and a buffer. It's dermatologist tested. It cleanses exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. I will let you know. I'm probably going to use this tonight and then talk about it tomorrow when I film and let you know if it does do all that. The next one made me think of Jeffree Stars, and it's called the Bombshell Baker Glitzy Gold Stainless Steel Straw Set. This goes for $21, and this is actually a really great way of not using straws that do not break down. They're plastic, so they stay, you know, stuck in the environment, and it's not good. Comes in this nice little velvety sleeve. I can't talk today, guys. I am about to sleep. So you get 4 of these gold ones, and just makes me, when I saw this, I thought it was one of those Chinese things, you know, you put your hair like this type thing. That's what I thought it was. And it comes with the little cleaning straw thing, so you just whoosh, put it there. And now when I did that, I was like, well, it doesn't go all the way through. And I'm like, duh, Jennifer, turn it around, pull it out, and then go through the other side. Ooh, everybody's clean. So yeah, definitely we'll be using this. We do use straws in this house, so I'm gonna give one to my son and one to my daughter. Actually, there's 4 of us: me, my husband, my daughter, and my son. So that'd be perfect. So I'm gonna try these out as well, and see how they work. I like that they come with a little cleaning thing, because my first thought when I heard about metal straws was like, well, how are we gonna clean them? They're like bottles. We need something to. So sure enough, it came. I'm going to go ahead. I forgot to add up everything. So I'm going to go ahead and add up everything that came here and put the little value around here, so that way you guys know how much this. But just by a few things, we're already, what, like between the 99 and the 70, we're already at $169. Yeah. So it's definitely over $200 worth of products here. That is amazing. So that's good. I mean, some of it like, yeah, I like it. Some of it is like, meh. Overall, it's grown on me. So if you haven't tried Boxycharm, go ahead and give them a try. I will put a little link in my description below so you guys can check them out. So yeah, of all the boxes, this is definitely the one that I would recommend. I tried them all, but this one was the one that excited me the most, except for the last few times. But these products are starting to grow on me, and hopefully tomorrow when I try them out and hopefully fall in love with them, then I'll be like, yes. Yes. Other than that, they also have the premium. I know this month it was Fenty products for the premium. So if you join now, you might be able to get it. I know there was like a wait list for it, so I'm not sure if they'll accept it or not, but you could definitely try. Other than that, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button so you're notified when I upload next. And like I always say, so you could run. I'm just kidding. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you have any questions, by all means, let me know down below and I answer any questions. I'm always on Instagram, so go check it out there, so that way you can see the giveaways I do and all the different products I use. And my stories are funny, so if you feel like you need a laugh, go over there and check that out. Like always, remember that there is a positive in every negative. I always try to leave a little quote here, a little positive quote for you guys, just so you know that, you know, if you're struggling through something, you're not alone. I've been struggling for the last 2 weeks, feeling down, and I've been trying to push it through, and a lot of prayer and a lot of good friends and family, you know, to help me get through it. So I go through it too, and so many of us go through it too, so you're not alone if you're going through it too. And just remember that, you know, it doesn't rain every day. There's always a sunny day. Sometimes it's a little further than we want, but it's there. Anyways, with that being said, I hope you all have a great day. You take care. See you in my next one.
Okay. We got to do this, because the show must go on. What show? I ain't nobody. Get it together.